All right, guys, so we're gonna head up to Chattanooga this weekend.
Every little detail is documented on there, so it's pretty cool.
All right, guys, so we're gonna head up to Chattanooga this weekend to go to Riverside. We're gonna see if the car show's worth it. Never been, but it should be a good time. So I'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, so we're at Walmart right now.
No, I can hold it.
Reed? No.
No,
I'm gonna hold this. Stop.
No, I can hold it.
You're not holding it right.
I can hold it.
You're not holding it.
I know how to do it.
I forgot to pack socks, so I'm grabbing socks. Also need to get a new memory card for a camera that we got. We gotta go to the mountain.
Yes, to get all of our stuff not blown away by the big full wind. And
All right, so we just finished up shopping. We are gonna go grab something to eat and then continue on our trip. So stay tuned.
So we stopped to get barbecue, and we at a restaurant, and we gotta get our food, and we gotta get a wild energy, so we can run, and we can get in the car and go to the mountains.
Well, lunch was exceptional. Definitely would recommend Moe's Original Barbecue if you guys are out here in Rome, Georgia.
Hey guys, we're ready to head out, but I need to get some exercise by the gym. So
You're gonna, yeah. So I guess we're gonna go to the gym as well. When
So
we're
I'm
out.
gonna catch you later, and yeah.
Hey, you can keep your volume down.
I gotta catch
All right,
you later.
but anyways,
I'm gonna catch you later and see.
all right.
Stuff on the game.
Oh, they got this lovely bridge here in Rome. It's actually really cool. Seems like a pretty popular tourist spot. All these locks. See the river. It's because we're high up. That's because. All right, guys, so we finally made it to Chattanooga. We're staying in this cabin right here. It's at the bottom of this valley. Super, super nice area. Quiet. There's a train that's parked right over there. So let's do a quick walkthrough. There's a little loft. So right when you go in, a little breakfast nook area, a little living room area.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, I'm coming. These steep stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is
There's a little loft up here
This is my new
for
bed.
kids.
This is my new soft bed.
Yeah,
This is.
very nice, buddy.
This is a new bed, but
So yeah, that's the kid area. Nope, don't press that
why?
because it's gonna make a noise. The stairs are steep. So yeah, full kitchen, microwave, and everything. Washer and dryer. This is the boudoir. Very nice. You know, very, very nice. So this is where we're gonna be staying. Ooh, it's open. So this is the back porch area. Could just sit and hang out. And they do have a hot tub. But yeah, the drive up here was really nice. Had a ton of scenic places where, you know, you had a lot of cows, open fields, and obviously the mountains. There's a waterway somewhere over there that we're definitely gonna have to get some shots of. But yeah, we'll see y'all later. You ready for breakfast, Reed? Yeah. So we are at Lookout Mountain. The view here is absolutely stunning. I've never seen a city like this before. I mean, there is a beautiful neighborhood up on top of this mountain, and they got some good vantage points. Honestly, the best vantage points to see this valley where you have the Tennessee River and downtown Chattanooga. You almost have to stand in somebody's backyard to really get a really good look at everything. So we visited Point Park. Point Park was really cool. Just spectacular views from there. You could see the entire downtown of Chattanooga. Decided to take a break, and I took my son to the park. They said not to. We're gonna be hitting up Ruby Falls and doing some cave tours a little bit later today. Riverside, let's go! Well, guys, that was our entire trip up to Chattanooga. and the Riverside car show was pretty cool. Stay tuned for the next couple weeks. I'm going to be putting together some footage of all the cars and everything that I saw while at Riverside 11. That was probably one of the greatest car shows I've gone to. I've been to a few, but that one was a standout for sure. So stay tuned for that video coming up. If you made it this far, you're a superstar. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.